In today's video, I will share with you how to receive positive feedback from your eBay buyers. This screen here is the upper portion is a screenshot of my feedback profile before the eBay hack that I did. You can see here I have 11,195, and within 24 hours, I had 11,201. If you're interested in how to get your eBay buyers to leave you positive feedback, stick around and let's get started. I do a couple of things to get my eBay buyers to leave a positive review. First of all, I will include a business card in each of the orders. Now, that's all I do. I don't do the fancy tissue paper or handwritten thank you notes. I simply slide a business card into the package. And on that business card, it does say, hey, you love your order. I'd be grateful for a review. And then I put in the eBay feedback address, which for those of you that do not know is ebay.com/feedback. That URL will take you to this feedback profiles page, and from there, the user can easily find how to leave feedback for a seller or how to leave feedback for a buyer. In addition to the business card requesting feedback, I do a couple other things. I will wait till the item is delivered. I do not have the automatic feedback set up so that when a buyer pays, I will automatically leave a positive review. Instead, I want to make sure they get the item, are okay with it, and do not want to return it. So for that reason, I will individually go through and see which items have been delivered and then leave a positive review in bulk. After I have left the buyer a positive review, about once a month, I will go into my paid and shipped orders, see the items that had been delivered and that I left a positive review on, but have not received a positive review in return. I will then email each individual buyer this message. And the message says, I do hope you receive this item. If so, leave great feedback for me as I've already done so for you. Leaving feedback is easy and much appreciated. And then I tell them how to leave the feedback in case some of them are not aware. It says to do so, go to My eBay, click Activity, Purchase History. Next to this item, click the link on the right-hand side to leave feedback. Thank you in advance. I also include a coupon for 15% off of a future purchase. And I also throw in my Instagram account to follow me over there at piece.of.scrap. So what do y'all think? Do you think this method works? As you can see here, I gained 6 positive reviews within 24 hours by sending the buyers an email. Would you go out of your way to send a buyer an email requesting feedback? Why or why not? Leave a comment below and let me know. I know there are several resellers that say do not reach out to your buyers for feedback, as you could just stir up trouble. The buyer may want to return the item or have a defect or flaw, or even open an item not as described case, which is the worst case scenario. But in my experience, I found that this is more positive than negative. Now, granted, I have had a few returns because I have reached out to the buyer, but I believe these positive feedbacks far outweigh the negative. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will make a point to respond to each and every comment. And while you're at it, if you found this video educational and would love to see more of these, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video.